Sigma Homes have just kicked off another exciting beach house project right here in Fountainstown. One of the key ingredients to a beach house is the number of steps from the beach right to the front door. And here we are right at the site of this exciting project. Behind here is where the work begins. Our client gets to move home from America right back to their home house. Can you imagine where you grew up after all these years? But time has passed, it hasn't been our friend. And that's where Sigma Homes have got to do their magic. This is where the remodel begins and the excitement starts. Behind us, this is going to be the location for our new kitchen. Check out, we've got these big, tall, inviting ceilings. We have a big glazed unit, and more importantly, check out that view. Just off the dining, this room has been designed as a reading room. It's got this quite intimate space, it's cozy, and again, we've got 3 big windows that captures all those views. This brings us into our main living room. It's one of 2, but this is the one that it's all about. Look at the windows capturing the view. I'm going on and on about it, but it really is what this project is all about. Behind this wall, check out those big tall ceilings. This is our master bedroom. Our bed is going to be located here, our walk-in wardrobe, and all this space right here at the back, one half is going to be allocated to our ensuite bathroom. The second half, this is going to be the main bathroom for downstairs. This is the second living room I was talking about, and everything just naturally brings you to the front of this home. Bringing this home back to life comes with a lot of pride. More importantly, the 18th of October, now that's the real story.